Welcome to another test from the DMV practice tests. In this video we are going to test Arkansas DMV practice test. For answers and explanations check the description below and our website for more tests. Question number 1. Seatbelts can be most effective as injury preventive devices when they are worn by A. the person driving the car, B. passengers when they are on a long drive, C. all occupants of a car being driven on an expressway, D. passengers and the driver whenever they are in the car. Question number 2. A rectangular-shaped sign is A. school crossing sign, B. railroad crossing sign, C. stop sign, D. speed limit sign. Question number 3. A green arrow showing at the same time as the red traffic light means A. vehicles going in the direction shown by the arrow must stop, B. do not go in the direction of the arrow until the traffic light turns green, C. you may go in the direction of the arrow with caution, D. road closed ahead, go in the direction of the arrow. Question number 4. What does it mean when a school bus is stopped and its red lights are flashing? A. you may pass if no children are on the road, B. you may not pass while the red lights are flashing, C. you may pass if you are facing the front of the bus, D. you may not pass if it is on the other side of a divided highway. Question number 5. You have the right of way when you are A. entering a traffic circle, B. backing out of a driveway, C. leaving a parking space, D. already in a traffic circle. Question number 6. When you see this sign, you must A. stop completely, check for pedestrians, and cross traffic, B. slow down without coming to a complete stop, C. stop completely and wait for a green light, D. slow down and check for traffic. Question number 7. From top to bottom, the following is the proper order for traffic lights. A. red, yellow, green, B. red, green, yellow, C. green, red, yellow, D. green, yellow, red. Question number 8. After a train has passed, you should A. wait for a green light, B. proceed across the tracks, C. blow horn and proceed, D. check again for approaching trains and proceed with caution. Question number 9. If you drive after drinking, you should be aware that the first thing alcohol affects is A. your hearing, B. your alertness, C. your vision, D. your judgment. Question number 10. What does it mean when a school bus is stopped and its red lights are flashing? A. you may pass if no children are on the road, B. you may not pass while the red lights are flashing, C. you may pass if you are facing the front of the bus, D. you may not pass if it is on the other side of a divided highway. Question number 11. You can drive in a carpool lane if A. you have the minimum number of passengers shown on the sign, B. you are driving an empty 15-passenger van, C. You want to pass the vehicle ahead. D. You are in a rush. Question number 12. What kinds of drugs, other than alcohol, can affect your driving ability? A. An allergy medicine. B. Marijuana. C. A cold remedy. D. All of these choices. Question number 13. When parking your vehicle facing uphill with a curb, you should point your front wheels, A. into the curb, B. away from the curb, C. either into or away from the curb, D. straight ahead. Question number 14. A broken white center line on the roadway means, A. no turns are allowed, B. reduce your speed ahead, C. you are in a no passing zone, D. you may change lanes with due care. Question number 15. One of the rules of defensive driving is, A. look straight ahead as you drive, B. expect that other drivers will make up for your errors, C. stay alert and keep your eyes moving, D. be confident that you can avoid danger at the last minute. Question number 16. This sign means, A. no U-turn, B. no left turn, C. no right turn, D. no turning. Question number 17. If your turn signals fail, you should use blank to indicate you are turning. A. your horn, B. your headlights, C. hand signals, D. your emergency flashers. Question number 18. If you see this sign above your lane, you, A. may not exit the freeway in this lane, B. may continue through the interchange or exit the freeway in this lane, C. may stay in this lane and continue through the interchange, D. must exit the freeway if you stay in this lane. Question number 19. To avoid accidents, drivers should communicate with each other by, A. signaling when changing lanes/direction, slowing down or stopping, B. using their horns in emergencies and when really necessary, C. using emergency flashers/flares/signs as needed, D. all of the above. Question number 20. You are going to make a left turn from a dedicated left turn lane when a yellow arrow appears for your lane. You should, A. speed up to get through the intersection, B. stop and not turn under any circumstances, C. be prepared to obey the next signal that appears, D. go through the intersection since you have the right of way. Question number 21. When passing a bicyclist, you should, A. blast your horn to alert the bicyclist, B. move as far left as possible, C. remain in the center of the lane, D. put on your four-way flashers. Question number 22. A broken white center line on the roadway means, A. no turns are allowed, B. reduce your speed ahead, C. you are in a no passing zone, D. you may change lanes with due care. Question number 23. Which of the following statements about traffic lights is false? A. A flashing red signal is the same as a stop sign, B. A steady yellow signal means the traffic light is about to change to red. C. A red left arrow is the same as a no left turn sign. D. A green light means you may proceed. E. A flashing yellow signal means proceed with caution. Question number 24. What should you do when you think you see a distracted individual? A. Follow them from behind tightly so they know you are there. B. Open your window and tell them to stop being distracted. C. Honk your horn to signal you are close to them. D. Allow extra room and be cautious of their presence. Question number 25. To judge following distance, what rule can people use? A. People can use the 5-second rule. B. People can use the 1-second rule. C. There is no rule to measure following distance. D. People can use the 2-second rule. E. People can use the 2-minute rule. Question number 26. Which of the following is not an accepted secondary form of identification? A. Concealed handgun license. B. Pilot license. C. Employment or school photo ID. D. Library card. E. Health insurance card. Question number 27. What should you do if you are hit from the rear by another vehicle? A. None of the listed answers. B. All of the listed answers. C. Press yourself against the back of your seat. D. Put your head back against the head restraint. E. Apply your brakes so that you aren't pushed into another vehicle. Question number 28. How long after sunset should you wait before turning on your headlights? A. 30 minutes. B. 2 hours. C. An hour. D. Whenever you feel like it. Question number 29. What conditions make it necessary for you to drive slower? A. Before going around a curve. B. When there is standing water on the road. C. All of the listed answers. D. When the roads are slippery. Question number 30. Which is not an example of something that might cause you to lose the amount of space you need to pass? A. A narrow bridge. B. A pothole. C. People. D. A bicyclist. E. Your passenger. Question number 31. How long does it take alcohol to get from the bloodstream to the brain? A. 5 to 20 minutes. B. 10 to 15 minutes. C. 1 hour. D. 15 to 40 minutes. Question number 32. What is the purpose of the head restraint? A. There is no reason. B. Head restraints are designed to prevent neck injuries. C. Head restraints are designed to make sure your head does not move when you are driving. D. Head restraints help you look cool while driving. Question number 33. During which of the following situations should a driver yield to another car or pedestrian? A. If pulling out of a driveway. B. As pedestrians cross a crosswalk. C. All of the listed answers. D. While preparing to turn left. E. When other drivers arrive an intersection first. Question number 34. What is the first step in making a right turn? A. Honking your horn to let people know you are turning. B. Checking your side mirrors for obstacles. C. Swinging the truck out to the left. D. Putting on your right turn signal. Question number 35. What is the correct thing to do if you are being tailgated? A. If there is a right lane, move over to the right, or reduce speed slowly if the path ahead is clear, to encourage the driver to go around you. B. Come to an abrupt stop by stomping on the brakes hard. C. Drive wildly side to side, indicating to the driver that he is too close. D. Turn on high beams and honk loudly. Question number 36. When is it legal to litter while driving? A. When you're only throwing out cigarette butts. B. When there is no garbage can around. C. It's always legal to throw things out of your car. D. When you're throwing something out that is biodegradable. E. Never. Question number 37. What should you do if you are being followed closely? A. Slam on your brakes. B. Slow down. C. Honk your horn. D. Allow more room ahead of you so you can stop without being hit from behind. Question number 38. If you are under 18 years of age, what documentation do you have to show before you begin the written test? A. School attendance and grade average forms. B. Signature of your parent. C. An original or certified copy of your birth certificate. D. All of the listed answers. Question number 39. Which of the following should you not do if you are involved in a crash? A. Record any damage done to the vehicles. B. Get the names and addresses of all the people involved in the accident. C. Avoid exchanging your information with other drivers who are involved in the accident. D. All of the listed answers. Question number 40. What should you do if you experience engine failure while driving? A. All of the listed answers. B. Keep a strong hold on the steering wheel. C. Brake to slow down in a safe manner. D. Pull off of the road when it is safe to do so. Question number 41. A blank is an individual who cannot see you. A. A driver backing into the roadway. B. Pedestrian with an umbrella in front of his face. C. All of the listed answers. D. A driver whose window is covered with snow. Question number 42. What should you do if you are hit from the side? A. None of the listed answers. B. Unbuckle your seatbelt. C. Drive as quickly as possible. D. Get ready to steer or brake to prevent your vehicle from hitting another object. Question number 43. Why must you leave space between yourself and the vehicle in front when stopping on an incline? A. So you can get out of your car safely if needed. B. So you can have a head start. C. Some cars will roll back on steep grades. D. To hold up people further behind you. Question number 44. Blank is the only thing that allows alcohol to get out of your system. A. Time. B. Fresh air. C. Sleep. D. Coffee. Question number 45. Drivers passing a vehicle traveling in the same direction must blank. A. None of the listed answers. B. Swerve as far out of your way as possible. C. Honk to make sure they are aware of you. D. Yield the right of way to them. E. Hurry up and speed past them. Question number 46. When you stop your car abruptly blank. A. You can lose control of your vehicle. B. You make it difficult for cars behind you to avoid hitting you. C. All of the listed answers. D. You can cause your car to skid. Question number 47. In which situation can accelerating prevent a collision? A. If a vehicle behind you appears to be on a collision course with your vehicle, you can accelerate to get ahead of it. B. When there is an accident in the road ahead, you can accelerate to get past it as quickly as possible. C. It is never appropriate to accelerate to prevent a collision. D. When an animal is standing on the side of the road, you can accelerate to pass it before it crosses. Question number 48. What should you do if you experience engine failure while driving? A. Keep a strong hold on the steering wheel. B. Brake to slow down in a safe manner. C. All of the listed answers. D. Pull off of the road when it is safe to do so. Question number 49. What is the safest way to turn quickly without ABS and to prevent skidding? A. Gradually turn and limit the brake pressure to be as minimal as possible. B. Turn off the car immediately. C. Brake hard at first while turning. D. None of the listed answers. Question number 50. If you are under 18 years of age, what documentation do you have to show before you begin the written test? A. School attendance and grade average forms. B. Signature of your parent. C. An original or certified copy of your birth certificate. D. All of the listed answers. Question number 51. If you are going to stop when another driver does not expect it, what is the safest thing to do? A. Tap the brake pedal 3 or 4 times to warn other drivers. B. Stop as fast as possible and worry about your safety only. C. Brake hard because you don't want to miss your turn. D. None of the listed answers. Question number 52. In Arkansas you're allowed to drive while diagnosed with epilepsy if you've not had a seizure for how long? A. 3 months. B. 5 years. C. 6 months. D. 1 year. E. 2 years. Question number 53. While driving on slippery surfaces, why do you need more distance between you and other cars? A. None of the listed answers. B. Distance is needed for inexperienced drivers only. C. You don't drive any differently on slippery surfaces than you do on regular roads. D. Because you need more distance to stop your vehicle safely. Question number 54. Why should you check your speedometer often? A. So that you can see how fast other cars are going. B. None of the listed answers. C. All of the listed answers. D. Speedometers aren't always accurate. E. You may be driving faster than you think, especially after a slowdown or roads with a low speed limit. Question number 55. What is the first step in making a right turn? A. Honking your horn to let people know you are turning. B. Swinging the truck out to the left. C. Putting on your right turn signal. D. Checking your side mirrors for obstacles. Question number 56. What is your peripheral vision? A. The field of vision to the right of you only. B. The field of vision in front of you. C. The field of vision behind you. D. The field of vision from the corner of your eye. Question number 57. When passing a truck to reach a highway exit, you should blank. A. Pause to slow down, then exit behind the truck. B. Pass at will. C. Make sure the truck knows you are there, then pass. D. None of the listed answers. Question number 58. When is it okay to pass within 1/3 of a mile of a hill or curve? A. It is okay when you are driving under 20 miles per hour. B. None of the listed answers. C. It is okay when there are no oncoming vehicles. D. It is okay when the road conditions are good. Question number 59. How should you accelerate when driving? A. As fast as possible. B. Smoothly and gradually. C. None of the listed answers. D. It doesn't matter how quickly or slowly you accelerate. Question number 60. You should look behind your vehicle when slowing down in which of these situations? A. When passing by a driveway. B. Anytime you slow down for any reason. C. When driving through a parking lot. D. All of the listed answers. Question number 61. At what concentration of blood alcohol level will police have grounds to arrest you while driving in Arkansas? A. 0.04%. B. Any amount at all. C. 0.02%. D. None of the listed answers. E. 0.03%. Question number 62. When you stop your car abruptly, blank. A. You make it difficult for cars behind you to avoid hitting you. B. You can cause your car to skid. C. All of the listed answers. D. You can lose control of your vehicle. Question number 63. A square sign with a white horizontal line with a red ball inside is a blank sign? A. Do not enter sign. B. Stop sign. C. Service sign. D. Speed limit sign. E. Yield sign. Question number 64. If your vehicle does not have an anti-lock braking system, what should you do if your vehicle starts skidding while you are braking? A. Push down on the brake harder. B. Immediately put the vehicle into park. C. Stop braking completely and slowly coast to a stop. D. Quickly let up on the brake until the skidding stops, then push down on the brake pedal again. E. Tap on the brake repeatedly regardless of whether your vehicle is skidding or not. Question number 65. Which is the best way to handle a skid? A. Initially steer towards the direction you want to go but alternate between left and right as the vehicle straightens out. B. Turn the steering wheel hard in the direction you want to go and continue to steer in that direction. C. Don't do anything at all and the skid will work itself out. D. Apply the brakes to try and stop the vehicle as soon as possible. Question number 66. What conditions are speed limits posted for? A. The speed limit is posted for normal driving conditions. B. The posted speed limit is for when it is raining heavily. C. Speed limits are posted for terrible driving conditions. D. The speed limit is posted for when the roads are covered with ice. Question number 67. What should you do if you are hit from the rear by another vehicle? A. Press yourself against the back of your seat. B. Apply your brakes so that you aren't pushed into another vehicle. C. Put your head back against the head restraint. D. All of the listed answers. E. None of the listed answers. Question number 68. How should you use the ramp to merge onto a high-speed roadway? A. Match the speed of the other drivers. B. Slow down so you can make the transition easier. C. Make a complete stop and signal to the drivers you want to merge. Then wait for them to give you an opening. D. Drive to the end, stop, and wait for an opening. Question number 69. It is important to be able to judge your distance and speed to blank. A. Know how far you are from other vehicles. B. Know how far you are from your house. C. Know how far you are going. D. Know how far you are from nearby restaurants. Question number 70. How long is it safe to leave an animal or child unattended in a vehicle? A. 12 minutes. B. 5 minutes. C. Never. D. 30 minutes. E. 2 hours. Question number 71. Why is it important to maintain a certain distance when following behind a motorcycle? A. So the rider on the motorcycle doesn't get nervous. B. So you don't get smoke from the motorcycle's tailpipe into your car. C. So you are able to avoid a fallen rider safely. D. So you don't affect the motorcycle's wind resistance. Question number 72. What should you do before starting a vehicle you have never driven before? A. You should call your best friend to say hello. B. You should check the owner's manual, because the procedure might differ depending on the car's ignition and type of transmission. C. You should make sure the parking brake is set before starting the vehicle. D. You should check your owner's manual to see if the procedure differs, and you should also set the parking brake. For answers and explanations, check the description below and our website for more tests.